Lenovo P2 Super Thin. The days of worrying about battery life are over. Now the Lenovo P2 smartphone gives you enough battery life to keep up with your busy life, as well as a phone that is super thin. With its massive 5100 mAh battery packed into a super slim design, the Lenovo P2 gives you the best of both worlds. Beautifully crafted, thoughtfully designed. Own a phone that feels good in your hands and looks great on your desk. With its rounded corners, ergonomic curved back design, and full metal unibody design, the Lenovo P2 is easy to pick up and hard to put down. In a word, brilliant. With a 5.5 inches Full HD display, videos and gaming will take on a whole new meaning. The Lenovo P2's Super AMOLED screen technology gives you vivid imagery and crystal clear sharpness, without adding bulk or wasting power. Do it all at once. The Lenovo P2 takes performance to another level. With a 64-bit Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 True Octa-core 2.0 GHz processor, you have all the power you need. Catch up with friends on Facebook while playing games online, and keep multiple apps open at the same time. Power up fast and charge other devices. The Lenovo P2 works with a 24 watts rapid charger, giving you 10 hours of battery life in just 15 minutes of charging. What's more, your phone also doubles up as a battery pack for other devices. With a 5100 mAh capacity, there's plenty of battery life to go around. Memory, internal 32 GB. Dual SIM card, yes. Network LTE. Operating system Android Marshmallow. Touchscreen, yes. USB micro USB. Memory card slot up to 256 GB. RAM 4 GB. Color gold. Screen size, inch, 5.5. Camera resolution 13 MP. Made in China. Processor, CPU, octa-core 2 GHz. Battery size, mAh, 5100. Second camera, MP, 5, MP, 5.